Good afternoon, this is Jason Dowd with Weicker Realtors Tower Properties. So today I'm having an open house out here at 21521 Farmcrest Road. It's a lovely little acreage, about an acre and a half, and just want to kind of show you around the property just a little bit. I just got done turning on the lights inside the big old building here. Now that building's got a heated shop, which is pretty nice. We've got plenty of storage, large overhead door. You can see it's a Morton building. It's gonna have a nice side door. Now let's just take a quick look on the inside here. If we go into the inside, you're gonna see that it's gonna have a dirt floor. Let our camera do a little bit of adjustments in here. It's pretty big. It's got some tall ceilings, as you can see. And then we're gonna take a little step out here into the office area. Now the office area does have heat. It's got wood paneling on the walls. My guess is it's probably a cedar lining, but nice little shop, double doors, so if you want to carry your furniture in and out, it's kind of handy. You can see that. So let's see, we've got electricity out here, as you probably guessed. Let's take a quick little walk around. We're going to take a quick walk into the house. Now today we're having cookies at our open house because everybody loves a fresh cookie. So my daughter is actually in the house, so we're going to get a chance to meet her. That's Victoria. So she likes to come out and help. I think it's for the cookies, but I'm not 100% certain. So let's take a quick walk inside the front door here. Hey, Vic.
Hi.
How are you? So I'll spin us around here so you can say hi. Vic, why don't you wave? All right, good. So Victoria, she's in charge of making the cookies. So when you first walk into the home, we have a lovely fireplace right off to the side here. It's a gas fireplace. And along with that, we're going to have a family room. There's a formal dining room off to the other side. Fully updated kitchen. Kitchen's absolutely stunning. I love the woodwork that they did for the cabinetry. The nice countertop, stainless steel appliances. Coming down the hallway here a little bit, we've got ourselves a full bathroom, which is located on the main level. There's actually 2 bathrooms in this home on the main level itself. It's got the master bedroom located just down the hallway here. I'm going to take a quick little walk in here, do a little walk around, and that's the master bedroom. So if this is too fast for you, you can go to my website, jasondowdy.com, click on the 3D tour tab, and you can actually walk through this house yourself. So back here, we are in the mudroom. You know, the old farmhouses, they love to have their mudrooms, places to come in, take off your shoes, you know, take off your dirty clothes, your wearables from the day. So we've also got, I'm not going to take up a whole lot of time, but let's take a peek. There is the insulated garage. That is also heated, by the way, so which is kind of nice. You've got stepping in the back side of the room, give you a quick little turnaround here. This is going to be your main floor laundry, and then there's an office space in the back. So moving to the sunroom. Many people love sunrooms. Great place to hang out. You know, at one time, this was actually their hot tub room. So, you know, it's wired for it. It's all set up if you wanted to make this your lovely little hot tub room. The windows actually look out into grassland. And that's actually the backside of Belgrade, Minnesota. So great little view. So plenty of wildlife, deer, you name it, whatever you might be looking for. Let's take a little quick gander down in the basement here. So, down in the basement, we're going to take a quick look. Now, this is kind of like your billiards room, your rec room. It's got everything from foosball tables. Now, that stuff obviously doesn't stay, but you never know. Maybe you can picture your stuff in here. Another little room, which they use for guests and stuff when they come over. This house does have plenty of bedrooms, by the way. So more room here. We've got mechanical room on the back side. Now the house is in compliance as far as septic goes. So you don't need to worry about that. It has its own well. The septic system is oversized for the property. So if you want it, don't need to worry about, you know, do we need to make it bigger? Do we need, you know, we got guests coming over. No need to worry about any of that. So let's jump through these rooms real quick. We're going to take another tour. Apologize if this is a little bouncy, but so this is kind of a little sitting room with the piano. And then if I turn around, we have the formal dining room. There it is. Hey, Vic, say hi. All right. All right, let's take a quick jaunt upstairs. So upstairs is where the rest of the bedrooms are going to be located. It is a big house, isn't it, Vic?
Yep.
Very big house. You know, speaking of which, it has a little over 3,800 square feet. That's, you know, that's a pretty big house. Okay. Now that we're upstairs, this is another large bedroom. They actually have 2 beds in here. So plenty of room for their friends.
No, 3.
Don't mind my, 3 beds. Well, if you count the crib, I suppose. Yeah, there is that. Okay, 3/4 bath.
Ooh.
Swinging around, coming in here. This is on the upper level as well. And we got ourselves a 3/4 bath. All right, coming down the hallway here. So we're going to have another bedroom. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. Little spin around there. Pretty basic. So, but anyway, with this house, it was built, you know, I want to say it's somewhere around 1950, a little bit older, 1940, excuse me, 74, I can't remember. But anyway, that's beside the point. But you'd never guess the age of this home just because it's in such good condition. So come on out, take a look at the house. If you haven't, give us a call. Like I said, you can go to jasondowdy.com. That's where you'll find my information. And love to show you this home or another home that you might be interested in. So look forward to opening your door to bigger dreams. Jason Dowdy, Weicker Realtors, Tower Properties.